Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the legendary Orient Express, the train where glamour, mystery and suspiciously expensive dining cars meet. And now we roll into Budapest, but not just anywhere. We stop at Nyugati pályaudvar, or Western Railway Station. The station itself is a true landmark, designed by the Eiffel Company. Yes, the same guy's company who gave Paris its giant metal tower. Only here, instead of a romantic view of the Seine, you get a tram stop and a McDonald's. Fun fact, that McDonald's is one of the fanciest in the world with chandeliers. You've never eaten a Big Mac so dramatically in your life. Back in the golden days, the Orient Express brought nobles, spies and mystery writers to Budapest. These days, it's more like backpackers with power banks and someone who forgot their passport. Times change, but train delays stay eternal.
Itt fel vagyunk,